Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with another one of the amazing universities, University of Maryland at College Park or UMaryland. Okay, so I have something very interesting to share with you. I have created an amazing profile assessment and it is completely free to use. Yes, just head to the link mentioned in the description box and get your profile evaluated for free on what kind of universities you can get into. It is the most comprehensive profile evaluation that my team has created, and it includes a lot of different factors and gives you extraordinary insights into what steps you must take to build your profile to get admission to your dream university. Well, it's really the most informative profile assessments available anywhere. All you need to do is take out 10 minutes, fill the objective type questionnaire, and your results will be emailed to you in no time. Make sure to check your spam folder as well and enjoy your personal assessment and action steps on how to get admission to your dream college admission. And if you need any help after that, my team and I are always there to help you with your entire college admission journey. Because I'm not just a YouTuber, I'm an entrepreneur, helping thousands of students every year from past 12 years. So yes, we have the best knowledge and strategies for you. Now for this video, I have received a ton of requests to review this university. So let's hit it up for University of Maryland at College Park. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. University of Maryland is a public land-grant research university in College Park, Maryland. It was founded in 1856 in the University System of Maryland. It is classified among R1, which is doctoral universities, which means very high research activities and is labeled as public Ivy, yes, denoting the quality of education comparable to private Ivy. University of Maryland is part of Big Ten Conference for Intercollegiate Athletics and is a big deal in Division I sports within the group itself. The main campus is located in College Park, a city in Maryland. It is approximately 4 miles from the northeast border of Washington, D.C. It is a suburban location and has much more to offer. On top of its proximity to Washington, D.C., you will find enough activities for yourself to keep you busy all throughout the year. Maryland's 1340-acre College Park campus embraces an array of architectural styles that include the Georgian brick building with the Oak Line Mall at the heart of the campus. The university is improving every year on the front of making the campus a more sustainable and environment-friendly. The Irby Center for Computer Science, featuring 6 floors of specialized high-tech labs, and the St. John Teaching and Learning Center are among the recent additions to the Maryland campus. All colleges at the campus are equipped with state-of-the-art facilities. The most popular majors at University of Maryland include biological sciences, economics, mechanical engineering, finance, criminology and criminal justice, computer science, business, and journalism. Well, although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the ranking, but University of Maryland is consistently placed into top 100 national ranked universities as well as globally have some of its amazing courses. All right, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Well, academics at University of Maryland are amazing. Maryland's coursework is intense but more collaborative than competitive. Its 12 colleges offer about 200 degree granting programs, including 92 undergraduate, 107 master's program, and about 83 doctoral programs. And also, students are allowed to combine established majors to create their own design programs, which is awesome. Maryland has earned a strong reputation for its engineering and computer science programs, as well as the Smith School of Business and Merrill College of Journalism. The psychology and biological sciences programs have gained a lot of reputation in recent years as well. Maryland's location comes with a ton of opportunities. Its proximity to the national capital has resulted in many defense research projects available on campus, funded by none other than NASA, Homeland Security, National Institute of Health. The UMD5, which is First Year Innovation Research Experience program, allows qualified freshmen to join faculty-led research groups for research and mentorship experiences. A lot of research is available for graduate students as well. Internship opportunities in nearby DC area and Baltimore are available in plenty, and a 2-day orientation, seminars, and course clusters are offered for many programs. Around 60% of undergrad or postgraduate students participate in more than 20 living learning programs that provide experiential learning opportunities in more intimate settings. There are a lot of study abroad programs as well for students that can take advantage of. Around 22% students study abroad in dozens of countries like Costa Rica, Israel, Sweden, and others. They are available for international students as well. The faculty at University of Maryland are extremely detail-oriented and masters in their fields. The quality of teaching here has been pretty good. Faculty members are accessible. Lower level courses tend to be large and impersonal, but the corresponding weekly discussion sections led by the teaching assistants offer personal attention to those who need it. The class size at University of Maryland is large to average. Most of the lower level classes are about 100 to 200 students and follows the tutorial group format. But the situation improves when you get into higher classes, which is less in number. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate University of Maryland with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level. 5 is the highest level. Well, after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Well, social life in Maryland is epic. Students enjoy frequent school-sponsored concerts, movies, as well as the traditional fraternities parties. Art Attack is a favorite annual event in which local artists share their crafts and national touring artists perform an evening concert. Other popular events include Maryland Day and Homecoming. With over 800 clubs and different student organizations at Maryland, students will always be able to find their niche. Many clubs are available for you to invest your time in, including an independent student newspaper, non-commercial radio, and a national level competing a cappella groups. Maryland has a huge array of community and volunteer services that can connect you with local and national organizations for elder care, tutoring, mentoring, and environmental action. University of Maryland has about 42,000 students, about 30,000 as undergrad and remaining as PGs and PhDs. The university has about 70% in-state student and rest are out-of-state, including 12% student body as international students. Housing is good enough for most students. There are single, gender, and co-ed housing available for all. Only 40% of students stay on campus. Freshmen are guaranteed housing. Upperclassmen have the option of on-campus apartments and suites, while many juniors and seniors seek off-campus accommodation as well. Availability of residence hall space is very limited for graduate students. All requests are initially placed on a waiting list. If space becomes available, graduate students are moved off the waiting list and assigned a room and roommate. So if you're applying for graduate, make sure to factor in that. The campus is also known for good food in all 3 campus dining halls. Apart from the housing meal options for students staying on campus, a lot of on-campus and off-campus food beverage options are available. The quality and variety are good as well. University of Maryland is big on sports as well. Like I said earlier, part of Big Ten Division 1 and all. A handful of intramurals and 45 club-level sports draw roughly a third of the students. Men's and women's lacrosse are national powerhouses, and men's soccer, women's basketball, and field hockey are recent conference champs. Football is pretty famous here as well. University of Maryland offers competitive academics and good social life as well. So I would like to give it 5 stars out of 5 on quality of life at University of Maryland. But now let's move on to financial fit. University of Maryland falls in an affordable school category. The expenditure is about $35,000 to $40,000 in annual tuition expenses without scholarships. Housing and dining is about $13,000 to about $16,000 range for the most. As far as financial aid is concerned, the university has a lot of scholarship options. Deserving and qualified students receive a merit award of about $7,000, and athletes can take advantage of about 400 different scholarships in 19 different sports. Overall, I will give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Well, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chance of getting into University of Maryland with my special admission tips and strategies. The ideas I'm going to share now come from my decade-long experience working with students and career for college admission through my company and helping a lot of students get admission to their dream colleges. As far as admissions are concerned, University of Maryland follows a holistic approach. University of Maryland is one of the top colleges in the US and the world. The acceptance rate last year was about 51% overall, but a bit lower for international students. So when it comes to the international student, University of Maryland is extremely selective, so make sure to factor in that. An online application with official transcripts, standardized scores like SAT, ACT, GRE, GMAT, A-levels, and 2 letters of recommendations are required for completing your application and along with your core scholastic activities also. Whether community involvement, the arts, sports, work experience, research opportunities, family involvement, or other activities and hobbies, you should share only what has been particularly meaning to you. Along with your GPA, test scores, University of Maryland also looks for academic endeavors outside of your classroom. That means, what have you done to pursue your academic interests outside of your class? University of Maryland looks for breadth of life experiences, and this can be shown through the activities you have participated in. Make sure to highlight breadth in your profile or diversity in your profile. Now, I have discussed in some Ivy League colleges that they look for depth in your profile. University of Maryland looks for breadth in your profile, which is great because most students, they have it. Make sure to talk about this in your application. So, of course, your extracurricular activities and any recognition of special achievements are important in your application. Make sure to include this. The most important segment of application is always the university essays. The university looks for written expression of ideas through your essays. That is how well you can express your ideas. And that must come through your essays or statement of purpose. University of Maryland have smaller supplement essays for most programs. It provides you with the opportunity to tell the admission committee more about your personality and experiences. So make sure to talk about that. UMaryland also looks for two things in your profile: community involvement or community service and demonstrated leadership. Both are super important for admission. So participate in community service and take on leadership roles and make sure to mention both in your applications. The UMaryland also requires all international students to present English proficiency. All undergraduate or postgraduate programs require a specific minimum score for admission, ranging anything about 80 to 100 TOEFL score and equivalent in other exams like IELTS. Alumni interviews are an optional component of the application process, available on a limited basis and mostly to postgraduate and doctoral students. For doctoral applicants, committee interviews are something that can be expected during admissions. As for the deadlines for admission, UMaryland offers two deadlines for undergraduate students, that is early action, which is generally November 1st, and then the regular decision, which is about January. For all postgraduate courses, they have individual department deadlines with either one or two deadlines between September to March every year, but predominantly December, January is the most active time. Transfer applicants are welcomed as well, depending upon the availability, with application accepted between November to March, depending upon the course as well. Well, in the end, to conclude, if you are a person with diversity, enjoy working hard along with fun-loving, research-oriented background, UMaryland is for you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of this video and get your personalized report for free. In fact, a lot of students and parents tell me that the report is so good, they would have paid for it, but it's free for you. So yeah, it's one tool that will help you in your college admission journey. And I'm here with you to support you on this beautiful journey. If you need any assistance, me and my team are always here to help you. Thank you once again, and I'll be back with another amazing video for you. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good one.